Welcome back, folks. Today, we're spilling the juicy secrets on using watermelon as a natural Viagra alternative. And trust me, it's a game changer. First things first, grab a fresh watermelon and slice it into pieces, just like you'd prepare for a summer picnic. Did you know watermelon is packed with citrulline, an amino acid that relaxes blood vessels, just like Viagra? It's like nature's own little blue pill. For our natural Viagra concoction, toss the watermelon slices in a blender and blend until smooth, no added sugars needed. Pour that vibrant, luscious watermelon juice into a glass and get ready for a refreshing twist that'll get your engines revving. Add lime juice. Mint leaves, squeeze in some zesty lime juice and garnish with a few fresh mint leaves for that extra pop of flavor. Now, sip it slowly and feel the magic unfold as the citrulline works its wonders on your blood vessels, boosting circulation naturally. Apart from its Viagra-like effects, this wonder fruit is also a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and B6, keeping your body nourished and ready for action. Not just that, watermelon also promotes a healthy heart, thanks to its lycopene content, reducing the risk of heart diseases. So, why not give this natural Viagra alternative a try and let us know how it works wonders for you? Drop your comments and let's keep the conversation going. That's a wrap on our watermelon Viagra adventure. Remember, Mother Nature always has a sweet solution up her sleeve. Until next time, stay juicy and vibrant, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe daily Nourish for more natural health tips and tasty recipes. See you soon.